Welcome to another unit in this Excel course. In this unit, I'm going to talk about how we can determine the length of a text input. Well, for this, I can simply just input a sample text. So, like this is a sample sentence. And then if I want to know the length of this, I just start typing with length, and at this point I see I'm only left with this function, which, as the description says, returns the number of characters in a text string. And that's basically what I want to have. I want to have how long is this, how many characters does this contain. If I do this here, I see contains 26 characters. What I can see here as well, if I were to count all of this, is what we can illustrate with a shorter example here as well. If I go just with this example here, A space A, calculate the length thereof, I get 3. Because he counts each space, each sign separately. So even the spaces are counted here as well. Okay, so that's how it works with any type of text input. In particular, if I were to add like a number, like a 3 here, that's one additional sign. So it counts the 3 in this context. Well, it's a text as a sign. But what if I only have like numbers? So this is a number. So what would he count here? So if I use the length function here on this part, I get a 3 as a result. Why? Well, if I were to interpret the 345 as a text, I would have 3 characters. The 3, 4, and 5. So this has 3 characters. So I could use this example in a different context. Imagine I'm making a bit more space here. Just entering a very large number in this context. So it would be pretty hard for me to actually determine, is this billions, millions, whatever. If I just press OK, see here, it's in total 20 numbers. Even if I have this strange description here for this, so if I use the scientific way of writing this, could then change the category, the format for this, still 20 signs. Here, however, what I see, that's more or less a peculiarity of the of Excel. He actually erases the other ones because he does not remember them once he switches to scientific format. So this part here, actually same as this, he cuts off the rest back here. But it's still, I enter 20 signs. Here I still have 20 signs. So I know this is more or less 20 signs. So 8 times 10 to the power of 19. So that's also in a way how I can interpret this. Now I could calculate what is this, trillions, billions, whatever. So that's my way of going and assigning in which, well, size area I'm actually working at. So could be applied to text, could be applied to anything, including blanks, including numbers as well. And well, that's done all there is to this length function. And if you want to see more on working in Excel, not only with text, but with other stuff as well, feel free to visit the rest of the course or the corresponding playlist. I say goodbye and see you next time.